Recording in progress. Yeah, let me log in, log out, log in. Don't tell me Trader Bay having issues again.
Shit, Bullnox was this morning. I started logging in like 7:15. It took me to 5 minutes late for everything to connect.
Mm.
Had me
Well, yours say 70%. I'm short. Mine say 65. But I know
Oh,
you said that's because of the date.
that was a 60-minute chart.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah, that was a 60-minute chart. It shows a little bit different. I just want to make sure I'm gonna have to reset it. Reload historical data.
I'm only trading sim because my
There we
surface is
go.
choppy.
Yeah, I had to reload historical data anyway. So if you was looking at my chart, it was definitely off. All right, now it should be straight now. Because when you leave your stuff running all night, sometimes it goes off a little bit. And I had a resting order last night that did pretty good.
Look at me
And
being
before
like you with my meta glasses, Manny.
was that?
Can you see my meta glasses?
Oh, I
I'm
got a
trying
hat
to be like
similar to
you.
that too. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Man, the market it dropped down low.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes, buddy.
What if I didn't have anything to drink?
You had your water. Come here.
Yeah, but
Say hello. Say hello to your aunts and your uncles and
Hey,
everybody else.
Joshy.
Hey, grandson.
Hi, Joshy. Auntie B to love you.
It's your auntie Miss M. How you doing, Josh?
He's over
Let
here
him
getting
stay
a
home.
drink. Huh?
I said it's Friday. Let him stay home.
No. He's been home majority of the week. That boy been
Well,
home majority of the week.
no.
Not let him stay home.
He was off Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. He had half a day yesterday and today. I'm like, nah, buddy, you can't keep going on like this. The low NQ low is a 64975. 64975. Yeah, but right around 7, 8 o'clock, man, that market was moving last night. I was like, I need all my chicken.
I know that's right.
Yes, buddy. You can put your shoes on because we got to go in like 10 minutes. Make sure that was correct. Yeah, 2000. Look, on the daily, it says 100% chance of a short on the daily. So I mean, that don't mean we can't buy the market, but for the most part, I'm looking for shorts.
Shorts, yeah.
Yeah, buddy. A snack? You just had breakfast. What you mean a snack? Who asked for a snack after breakfast?
That sound like me and Charlotte.
Oh yeah, yeah, y'all did. That was it. Yeah, can you have a snack? He just had a toaster strudel. And then when he get to school, he gonna eat lunch in like in under 2 hours. Let's see. This is a 4 hour chart. It's not really a lot going on a 4 hour. Yeah, so all these levels already been hit. This ain't even a level. No 4 hour levels here. Look for there's no need to really look too far back because we're way up here. We're way up here. So we still got this triple threat right here on the 4 hour. That level is 246.50. That's a triple threat right there.
Wait, say it again.
Right here, 26246.5.
246.50.
Yep, open. Yep. 26246.5. So that's one right there. All the ones that were back here are already used up, and there's one way up here, but you know, that was way in the past. We got a while before we even get up this high. Because once again, this is a 4-hour chart, so you got a lot of room. No, Joshua, you go watch. Yeah, you can watch some TV for like 2-3 minutes, and you'll be all right. All right, I don't really see a lot on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1-hour. Should have some kind of movement because it was moving and grooving. So that one's been played already. We got one up here. Now this is an odd one, right? See how you have three, 4 going down. Oh no, actually 5 going down. But this one actually is higher than the start of it, right? So with a situation like this, because the LIS is sitting right there, I would rather go off the LIS and stack it up on top, double it on top of the LIS. Because even though this was the start of the downtrend, this one actually opened up higher. You know what I'm saying? It skipped the level, it opened up higher, then went down. So I will go off the higher red one, not this lower red one. So I would just base it off the higher one. And that's
My LIS is
99.
not on there. Is that supposed to be automatic? How do I put it on
Yes,
there?
yes, your LIS should automatically pop on there.
Is it under indicators? What's the
It should be. It's called opening price.
open? Yeah, I don't
You
have
don't
that
have that
already.
one?
No, not on
Oh,
NQ. I have it on my GC.
okay. I was like, you gotta have. I know. I added that now.
Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes they be deleting, so I'm about to add it now.
Yeah. So yeah,
Opening.
opening price, and these are the settings for it.
Hold on.
1605 basically,
Okay, yeah.
and make sure you extend it for 24 hours.
Okay, I got that. Yeah, automatically.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
99850. That divergence, little. Really already? It's almost the news.
Not a
They
Got
putting
a
in
sharp
lot of
orders.
news
result.
coming on at 8:30.
They putting, and that's what I'm saying. They putting in orders, and the news about to hit. That might tell you something. 87 contracts on a short. Hey, they think when the news hit, it's gonna go down. Hey, I might go ahead and jump on that trend to the downside on the sim, on me on the eval. Somebody knows something. 87
Right.
short,
Look,
right, for
maybe I need to
5 minutes
really
before
trade
the
for real.
news. I ain't here to play no games. Buddy said he about to hit a lick. Yeah, core PPI. Yeah, buddy. They forecast a 0.2. The previous was 0.0. Yeah, so
What was that
previous.
on that triple threat on the hour? What was that number?
Oh, hold on. Forecast is 0.2. Previous is 0.0. 0.4, 0.3, 0.1, 0.7. 0.9 is the actual 0.9. Okay. That 4 hours up here. 26246. And
That's the
then
4 hour. Okay.
yeah, and
What was
then
that 1 hour you had?
there's also a 1 hour right there. There's a 1 hour right here, right next to it. So that open is 255.5. 255. 255.5. So yeah, you got a 1 hour and a 4 hour literally right next to each other. So that's gonna be a nice little short if we got up there. That's just a big space. That's not really anything serious. We got this one right here. That one's been played already. We got one down. This one down here, I had a resting order down here. It never got down there. You know what I'm saying? I was like, if you come down here to this S1 and we have a triple threat sitting there, yeah, I was like, you come down here, I'm taking that straight up. But it never even got down there because it knew better. But yeah, but if it comes down here to this S1 and you got a triple threat, then you got a swing low, not that far below. Yeah, that's gonna be a nice little bounce. And who knows what else is gonna line up with it. So that's awesome. All right. And gold, boy, gold had a massive drop. I mean, but we knew it was gonna drop. There's no way gold was just gonna stay up there. That don't mean it ain't gonna go back up eventually, but yeah, that gold hit all the way up to the R2. This is crazy. 56.26. Yeah, that thing had to come down, or it was gonna have some problems. Hey Joshua, you got your book bag and everything in your jacket? You got your jacket? All right. High 80.2. The low on that one, I can't see it. The low is 40.1. 40.1 is the low.
Hey, boss, I think your mic cut out.
Oh yeah. I was talking to my son. Yeah, but the wife said she'll take him to school, so cool. I ain't got to worry about it.
Hey, yo, Manny, what's the daily? How much I'm allowed to trade a day again? You said like, is a cap on it or something?
What? Oh yeah, on a 50K account, you can't make no more than I think it's 600 or 650 a day. But you shouldn't be trying to do that anyway.
Yeah, no, but what if it just happened?
Yeah, sometimes it does just happen. But you want to try to close out before it hits 650.
Fasten seatbelt securely.
Oh,
Yeah, I've done that before too. Took a trade and that thing just took off, and I didn't want to close it. I was like, man, I'm just going to take that hit.
because I'm like, if it happened, because gold was moving crazy as hell
Yeah.
last night. Like it, I don't know. It was like how you say it just was bouncing like up and down, but then it'd drop far as hell, then it'd stop and go up. I'm like, yo, I said, let me cut this laptop off.
Yeah, because
For
I
real.
took a trade yesterday on a newer 50K account, and the same exact thing happened. It dropped, and I didn't want to get out at 650, so I was like, man, forget it. I'll just have to deal with it later.
So you'll get it. So what, I'll be penalized for that?
Yeah, when you once you make enough money to get a withdrawal, they'll just deny your withdrawal.
Oh, shit. Oh,
But
wow.
they'll deny it, but they won't take your money or nothing like that. You just got to trade another 8 days till you bring that percentage back down to 30%.
Wow. Say no
And
more.
then, but your money is still there.
Fasten seatbelt securely.
Say no more.
Hey,
I'm
everybody.
trying to do like,
Great,
Morning,
y'all.
morning.
good morning.
So, Mr. H, when I made a mistake and my key got stuck and I made that $3,000 on that trade, I wasn't gonna be able to get it anyway, huh?
Ooh,
Unless I trade.
man, you made 3,000. Whew, see, the thing is like 30-40% consistency depending on what type of account you use. So when you make more money in a day than you're supposed to, that 30% might be like 95%, and you got to get it back down to 30%. So you have to trade consistently for the next 8 days or so to try to bring it back down within that 30% so that you can get a payout. But you don't lose any money. They don't take any money from you.
Oh, well, I still end up doing my account, but
Oh, oh
yeah, but
man.
I was glad to know that because I was like, oh, what did I do? But I was excited. Thank you for
Yeah.
asking that question, young man.
Yeah. They're not going to
Y'all
take your
talking
money away.
50. Well, okay, I need to write this down. What's the limit you can make on the 50 on the 25K a day?
I think that's 450. Yeah, 25K is like 450. And 50K is like 650. That's not well. I'll mark this one up. Oh, you can't really
And
see now with all
these
these
are after
lines.
you have a PA, right?
Yeah, after you have a PA, yeah. That 8:30 news ain't really do too much. I got super price predict on here twice. Remove the view out because I can't see nothing. All right, there we go. I had to remove that VWAP. It's no longer level. I didn't see what it was. 410, no.
Gold went down and bounced right off that gap at 8:30.
It did. Yeah, I missed that too. But see, it's at 8:30, it's like right at the news. It's like, why would you do that during the news? Like, bruh, I want to make money, but you trying to hit my levels too early. Yeah, that's way down there. I'll mark it off. So what? Let's mark this one. That one right there.
I'm back. These people do not respect traffic control.
26.7.
I got 2 pairs of socks.
Yeah. It's supposed to snow again Sunday or whatever it's supposed to do Sunday here. I'm not looking forward to that.
Please don't say that, man.
Well, down here, I don't know about up there, but down here it's supposed to snow again on
No, I don't think
Saturday.
it's hitting up here. Only in
Yeah.
probably Camden.
They so disrespectful in Jersey, bro.
They say it's
You know,
supposed to hit
you
New
listen,
York too.
listen. You know around Norway, man. Do you know how it
No,
is
New
in
York
Camden?
is not getting snow.
You
New
shovel a
York's
parking
not.
spot out, they take it.
If you taking your
You know
parking
what?
spots.
Listen, you know what I said? I said if somebody take my parking spot, I'm gonna shovel them in, and they gonna have to shovel themselves out. Seriously, they'll watch you shovel a parking spot out, and as soon as you pull off, they'll jump right in your grave. Okay, Mr. Man,
They're like, thank
you
you.
want you want to lay in it today, baby. Let me go set these signs up.
He said, thank you for the shovel. What's this? Open 67.5.
Yeah, speaking of snow, I'm over here in Florida. My wife asked me last night if I want to drive to South Carolina after our son's basketball game on Saturday to my sister's house so we can see the snow. I was like, yeah, no.
Nah, the snow ain't that
Having
impressive.
to know.
It ain't really no snow, to be honest with you. It's ice. You gonna find some ice. Because we going to the basketball game Monday, so that whatever happens Saturday, it better be cleared up.
Oh, I thought you said y'all were going Saturday when we were talking about the fight.
Yeah, no, I looked at the schedule. It's actually Monday night. Yeah, we going to the game. I'm glad it's not going to be Saturday or Sunday because they probably canceled it because of snow or something like that. You know, North Carolina, well, they freak out over everything.
Ain't that the truth?
Like, oh, it's gonna snow. You get like a piece of an inch. Like y'all didn't have to act like that for an inch of snow. 45.8. Right, 45.8. Oh, we are marking up these levels. Mark up these levels. That's how we find the money. All right. You have to look left and see what's going on. Okay, look left, what's going on the 1 hour. Whatever this level is, that's gone. Just dub on that one. That's not a level. Make sure you get rid of all your old levels. This is the old level. Get rid of that. This is a gap. There's no 3 or more here. All of it there. This is no longer a level. Then I go below this.
Big exit 159 on the right to Dixon Road, then keep right.
Ah, that is a level. That is a green one. Hold up. $49.60 and 1. $49.60 and 1. No, that bounced. But that dipped into the gap. That's not, it didn't fill it up though. Yes, and some of these levels are from before gold switched over to the new contract. So you have to adjust some of your old levels. So if you have old levels down here, go over them again because when the market switched over to 426, some of those older levels are changed also. You see this gap is different right here. So this gap is a little different. That goes actually higher and lower here. And then this gap is actually moved as well. It might have dipped into the gap, you know what I'm saying? But it didn't fill this gap yet. It haven't filled it yet. So that's still a gap until it fills it. The low on this one is 06.6. 6. Yeah, so all your old levels, make sure you look back at them, or you could just delete them and redo them all, but they are going to be different with the new contract date.
Hey now, what's going on?
What's going on, man?
What's up?
Man, not a whole lot, man. Man, wait for this fake snow to come again tonight.
No, 40, I said for 41.7, 41.1. Okay, 41.1.
I must say, man, I really hate the Asian session. I have a strong discontent for the Asian session now.
Oh man, Asian session was moving and grooving last night.
Man, that thing's like a hard-headed stepchild, man.
If you get in right at around between 7 to 8, it moves smooth. You can get some good money
Around what now?
between 7 and 8. Well, I mean 6:30 to 8 o'clock is when it really moves.
Okay,
After
because I well,
9:30 kind of slows down.
man, at 8 o'clock, man, it's like ain't no rules, bitch. Ain't no rules.
Yeah, it's really not. It be moving that fast.
He said, ain't no rules.
I'm saying, I mean, hey, try and see, man. I'm not making this up. I mean, I be live.
I was whooping up on it last night though.
Yeah.
I had to get my lick back for not letting
Hey,
me
I got the
trade.
inverse, man.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out how you knew that was coming like that.
Oh yeah,
Like,
oh yeah, that's what I'm gonna show you.
Feedback, bro. What's that?
cause I took it with you, but I looked up and it was on Sims, and I was like, damn.
62, 62, was it 62.3 or 62.7?
What chart you on?
62.7 is a low. 62.7.
You on GC? All right.
Yeah, yeah. Make sure you redo all your old levels too, because the
Yeah,
contract moved.
yeah. Yeah. I saw it last night. So I do this in the morning. I ain't doing it right now. I was tired.
All right. So let me see. What was it? Let's go back.
What's up, family?
What's
Quick
going
question.
on?
Hey,
So what happens when just like you said, the contracts move? Why do you have to rechart? Just asking.
Because when the contract change, all your levels move up a little bit. Like for some reason they all move up because they pushing the contract dates for 3 months. Well, 2 months for gold for some reason. But yeah, they move the dates up, so they readjust all the numbers. So when all the numbers readjust, all your levels stay the same. So you got to readjust those as well. And sometimes it's not by that much.
Okay.
You just move them up just a little bit.
gotta go back.
Okay.
Has Nasdaq rolled over yet? I don't think so, right?
No,
QC
not
good.
yet.
Okay.
And that's every 3 months, right?
Yeah, just gold kind of jumped the gun.
Shit, yeah, they did.
Gold was like, I'm gonna update now. Like what? Oh, whatever. Okay, so the trade last night that was around 8 o'clock. It was a central pivot short. I took a short off the central pivot right here, right before I got off. I took that short at the central pivot because once it closed over here, it closed below the central pivot. And then on the way back up, it was a little hesitation. That lets me know the central pivot is still a good resistance. And then the very next candle, it came down and closed slightly below it. And then this one right here could not close above it. So I took the short. I think I took the short on this green pullback. When it pulled back to green, I took the short here. And I stayed in the trade because normally when I'm trading my bigger accounts, I'll stay in the trade a lot longer. And I also do more contracts because it was a 250K eval. So I wasn't really tripping about losing $1,000. So if you were trading a smaller account, you might have still got a good trade, but you wouldn't have got as much as I got because I had more contracts and I sat in that trade a lot longer. But I took it off of the central pivot short. I just seen that when it pulled back, I knew it was going to continue down because that was just it's just slowed down a little bit. That's all, and gave me opportunity to jump right back in.
You took like 4 or 5 contracts or
Yeah. Oh yeah.
trades. I was like, dang.
Yeah, on my 250s and my 300s. Yeah, I'm gonna do a couple contracts.
I blew an eval, one of my evals last night, past 3. Blew
Yeah.
one.
You got 3 of them done. So
Yeah, blew one of them, but it won't close, and I'm up $35,000 right now.
but that just goes to show once you have a nice cushion in your account, the amount of money you can make is crazy.
Yeah.
When you have a good cushion, you could just take a trade and walk away. No matter if it's a short or long, it's eventually gonna go up or down. You know what I'm saying? That's why I want you guys to trade smaller until you build that cushion. The bigger your cushion, then you can start trading five contracts, 3 contracts, making 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 per trade. But it's a lot easier when you have a $4,000 or $5,000 cushion. That cushion is how you really get to the money. They have a brand new 50K account thinking they're gonna make 1,000 a day. No, sir, you're not. You might make 1,000 a day. You might make 1,000 tomorrow, but eventually you're gonna lose 2, 3,000 because you get comfortable and you get cocky. and your account is not built. You might have the skill set, but you don't have the account size yet. You got to have both. You got to have the skill and the account size to start doing 1,000 a day.
Oh, I feel called out.
Every trader goes through that. Is the is more like that stochastic differential equation. It literally is an equation that calculates trader behavior. You know what I'm saying? Supply and demand and news. They have a mathematical equation to calculate that. So that's why brand new traders, especially ones that never learned under someone that was already doing, the people that's self-taught. Not saying anything bad, but to self-teach yourself, you got to go through a lot of trials and tribulations, way more than if you just had an instructor. But they know how the average trader trades. They know how we move. So they literally have a equation to tell where we're all waiting at. Oh, we're gonna wait right here, get this short. Everybody's waiting there. So that's why I teach y'all to do a little bit different. Wait for it to get to that level. When it goes above it, take the trade on the way down. Because everybody else took the trade as soon as it touched it. Oh, let's go in right now. But they don't pay attention to the market structure. They don't see the 4 or 5 candles that was going on before it got there. So they jump right in. It sweeps down, smacks out all their stop losses. Then it starts going in their direction. They weren't wrong. They just jumped in too early.
Too early.
Because they know your behavior is literally most institutional traders have a math degree or statistics. It's all math.
Yeah.
And you can look up stochastic differential equation. It's a mathematical equation that they use. They know exactly what we're gonna do.
I follow this guy on Twitter, and he's a whistleblower that is exposing the stock market.
Oh.
And just this week, or probably back in December, he was looking at XLF, and he's showing you screenshots of everything what these big hedge funds are doing and banks are doing. So he bought it at this particular price. It was like $35 and a penny. He was like, watch, they're going to buy it here and it's going to run all the way up and then it's going to pull back. And he's showing you all the screenshots. So when it wiped out everybody's like level where they were sitting at up until that last buying point, and then it shot right back up. And it's still going up with JP Morgan.
Yeah, I mean that's literally their job. Their job is to fill orders. They call market makers. That's their job, is to fill orders and get everybody stop loss, to fill other orders. They would tear your order up so that they could fill somebody else's order. Because they don't respect the regular the home traders. They look at us as
it's
liquidity.
A rigged game. And he's a cryptographer.
Who?
A cryptographer. Like they study like patterns and things and such like that.
Makes sense. He probably would be a good trader as well.
Oh yeah, he's a great trader.
Yeah.
He gave it out there for free, and everybody that jumped in. So
And that's what I'm saying. Trading is patterns, and understanding what their goal is helps you better trade. That's why I trade the way I do. I don't jump in as soon as I see a level. I wait to see if it bounces a couple times. Does it sweep above it? And then on the way down, I'll take the trade. Because most traders don't do that. Most traders don't wait for it to sweep up, and then on the way down they take the short. They wait for it to sweep up, and they're like, "Ooh, I'm gonna buy it," and they try to buy it, and then it turns around on them. Because just because it sweeps up don't mean it's going up now. That's just a sweep. They're getting everybody's stop loss so they can fill their orders, and then they're going to continue down, which is where they wanted to. That's why I used to trade Nadex. Now they're getting rid of the Nadex app. I don't know what they're doing new or next, but Nadex was one of those apps where you just put a bet on where the market ended. So if the market opens here, you just choosing, is it going to end above the open or below the open? And the closer you are to where it actually closes at, the more money you make. And you put up like $100, and if you're spot on, you're gonna like triple your money. But that was called Nadex. They're getting rid of the app now. I don't know why, but that's basically what Nadex was. It's like, where do you think the market's going to end today? And if you trade every day, you have a good idea of how the market's going to move by 5 o'clock.
Hey, well, that's what we was trading back in the day with the other class we was in,
Chris,
right?
yep.
Yeah,
I made a whole lot of money with Nadex.
It's cold.
I was tearing Nadex up. And
that's
now they getting
crazy
rid
to
of
get rid of it.
it. They get rid of the app now, so
Just the
I
app
was
or
already
the
tearing it
whole
up.
platform itself.
The whole platform itself, I think they're revamping it and doing something new with it, maybe.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, but I used to tear Nadex up, boy.
Hey man, that's a name from way back. Old Chris Cole, boy.
Yeah. Palmer was
Yeah,
there with it. He was there with
we was in those
it.
classes.
Yeah, who was in there?
You was in there too?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he was in there too.
Oh, that's what's
That was
up.
pretty much when we started. And that's the thing, like back then, that's the instructor that was like everybody was passing evals because all they were doing was copying his trades. They didn't know how to
Yeah,
trade.
that's
Didn't
true.
didn't
We definitely was copying trades.
Nobody knew how to trade. They were just clicking the button when he clicked the button. They was like, I passed a 300K account in 2 days. I'm like, what the hell? We doing 3 contracts on ZB.
That's true.
Wild West.
I was like,
I
he was
mean,
a
we
great
was
trader,
learning,
but
but a lot of people was shortcutting.
yeah. I mean, we were learning, but when he went live, he was not teaching trades. He was just follow me. Blip, 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 blip,
Yeah,
blip.
that's true. That's definitely true.
He was like, I'll explain the trade after. After, like, no, I need
And
to
never explain it. He
and
never
never
explained
explained it.
it. He gets off and get off, and we like, what the hell? Good, where he go?
And we was like, well, we made money, whatever.
He got his money. He's gone. I'm done. See you tomorrow.
Oh man. I was like, I look back at that. I was like, we were doing 3 contracts on ZB. What?
And paid the
That's
grand or two.
that's $93 a tick.
Yeah, we were definitely going hard.
Yeah, like why was he having us trade like that, bro?
I mean, I think it was doing because ZB was slow and followed the rules so what somewhat. That's why he did it, I guess. But still, $31 a tick,
Bro,
3 contracts.
I was tearing them 25K accounts up.
Well, yeah, one stop loss, your account's gone. Believe that.
Yeah. I mean, he's a great trader. Don't get me wrong. He's a great trader. It's just not all great traders are great instructors.
I agree.
That's what I learned. I was like, you could be the greatest trader in the world, but that don't mean you can teach people.
Agree.
That was the issue of the last group I was a part of. He would take the trade, wouldn't really tell you, but he'd say it's part of the things. It's in the written down. It's in a rule book. That was it. The thing is, like, I'm at work. I can't trade during the normal hours. And you expect me to follow you during these hours. I'm like, I can't do this.
Yeah. And that's why I was like, I decided to do this because that way I can instead of like you TikTok, I can't really teach while I could just give y'all levels. I'm gonna take a trade here, I'm gonna take a trade there. And people that aren't following me, I mean aren't students, they can still get good trades, they just don't know why. But as students, without me even saying anything, y'all be like, oh, I know why he took that trade. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to do the same thing. But now that we trade 3 days a week, I can actually look at the trade and give education before I even take it, before it even gets to that area. I'm like, this is what I'm looking at, and this is why. And I think if I had someone do that with me when I first started learning how to trade, I think I would have been way more profitable earlier.
Definitely would have less bad habits.
Exactly.
A little less FOMO.
Yeah, because I was with my first instructor, I was just clicking buttons.
Yeah.
Like I'm like, well, I made $400, but I didn't know why.
Sound like me.
I don't know why I made it, but I made it. And that's all that mattered at the time.
Hey, man, you gonna be free later on?
I sure will.
All right, I'm gonna hit your line. I gotta go to work, man. I gotta direct these people so they don't run into our work zone.
Oh yeah. Please do that. Because people be looking at their phones and everything.
All right, everybody. Y'all have a good one.
All right, Reg, be good.
Hey, well, I got a question for you, bro, on NQ, man. I'm trying to make sure this level is not played out. I got a level from the 29th to 2200 hours, right? On the 1 hour.
1 hour.
29th. It's a triple threat. Around let's see the prices out. The price is on MQ is 129.
129. Hold on, MQ.
It or is it played out?
I gotta go to MQ.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it might be just slightly different.
Maybe.
Do you look at it that much different? All right, so where we at?
The 29th at the 2200 hour. The price is 170. No, 120, 129.
The 29th on the 2200?
No. The price is 129 on the 2200 hour. Yeah, same thing. 29. Yeah.
Yeah, right here. This right here. This little candle right here.
No. Go to the left. Go left and go up some. Keep going up. Keep going up. Going up. Stop. Look to your left.
What? This right here?
Yeah.
Oh, 2200 hour on the 28th.
Oh yeah. My bad, Russ.
So are you asking, is that a triple threat?
Is it legit?
It was
Okay,
until
cool.
this red one said "F you."
Because I thought it was 29th, but it's 28th. So yeah,
yeah. This red one was like, "Nah, you good,
yeah.
homie.
I
I'm
wake
taking
up.
all that."
I slept.
But this one right here, this level right here, that's a good one.
Which what?
Right here, this red one going down.
The one above it?
Yep.
I got that. Look, the small doji at the top.
That's not a That's not a doji right here.
Yeah, I got that. Yeah.
That's not a doji. That's red.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a triple threat right there.
Yeah, I got that. I mean, everything else is legit. Everything else is good.
Yeah, I don't have my micros even marked. So excuse me for that one.
Now
I haven't traded these in a minute.
I'm trying to get out of my have some issues.
Yeah, but yeah, no, that was a level, but yeah, that big drop took that one out.
Got a 4 hour before it too.
Yeah, that's that drop I caught.
So for last night. All right,
Well,
cool.
for the other day when my stuff wasn't working, after I got off with you guys, I got back in there and traded after we were done live.
Okay.
Yeah, because while we was live, my stuff wasn't working right, so I didn't take any trades. I was just kind of coaching. So after we got off live, I was like, man, that was Wednesday. I was like, man, I'm gonna get my money.
I think I marked up them. I got on my levels. I'm good on NQ. I'm ready for the shit.
Hey. It's 9 o'clock. Ain't really doing too much moving. I do like 52 though on GC. I do like that 52. We're 30 minutes from the open, so if it hit that was like a pretty good trade. Because it closed well below it. It bounced off this Don chain.
There it goes.
Mr. H, I have a question. I'm stuck here. I was trying to put in a resting order, but this notice keep coming up for Bullinox, and it says order, and it has its long order number, cannot be submitted. Good till date is in the past. Order
good till date is in the past.
Yeah, but I don't recall ever putting in.
Send me a picture of it so I can see what it looks like.
Okay.
I need more than 200. Come on now. I only bounced for like a little $50 and then took off. That little $50, I ain't want to do with that.
Is there any way you can show us like the screen where you actually take your trades at?
Yeah, I could take trades over here too. It's just when I trade my evals, my trades are a little crazier. So I don't want to show y'all the crazy trades on the evals. Now I'll take my PAs over here. I just got a lot of them.
I just figured that might help me. You know what I mean? A little bit, and everybody else would help me.
Yeah, but like with my PAs, sometimes I'll be doing like 3-4 contracts, and I don't want y'all taking 3 contracts on evals or PAs. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause some of my PAs are like, 8,000-9,000 in the good, You know what I'm saying? So I'll do 3 contracts, but I don't want y'all being like, oh, well, he took 3. Let me take 3.
Come on.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to induce y'all to
No, I
take
get
bigger
it.
trades than you have to. But well, I'll do the sim on the ones that I would like, keep it simple. Oh no, don't remove that. No, don't remove that. Yeah, so this trade right here only made like $50 and then it went right back up. I wanted 200 off of that. But once again, it said long 70%, so I don't know if y'all can see that. I can't really see it either. There we go. And clear it out. Yeah, see, I didn't see that before when I was calling out a trade because it was covered up. But that thing had said 70% long. What time is it? 9:03.
Order submitted.
Now is that purple line a VWAP? Is that what that
Yeah.
is?
Yeah, there's a VWAP.
What's that like? The little chain thing at the top up by your arrow back and the swing high. What is that?
This
Yeah.
VWAP. That's the EMA VWAP.
Okay.
Yeah, VWAP is all these lines right here are VWAP. All these little
Right.
circled areas.
Okay. Thanks.
Mm-hmm. No, what account is that? 29. Oh, I ain't no music playing. I didn't even realize that. Hold on. Now with this trade right here, it is 9:05. You see the market structure is going pretty fast. So with this order, don't just put a resting order there. I just did that so I keep track of what I'm looking at. But what I would do, I would put the resting order higher, and I would just hover over this right here. I'll just hover over it, and if it taps it 2-3 times, just drop it down. And that's how I would enter this trade. Because if it don't happen and it's already like 9:25, 9:26, then I wouldn't do it. I'm like, you know what, fine. But if it gets up here before that, I'll just hover over it and wait for it to, see if it bounces a little bit. And I'll just drop it down there.
Mr. H, are you on the MNQ chart?
No, this is GC. This is GC right here, but I can go to NQ.
Order submitted.
Yeah, the trade was actually right here. See how it touched it and it bounced all the way back down? That was a nice move. that was a good move right there. Now that VWAP EMA, that as soon as it touched it, it dropped.
Order filled.
Mr. Telephone Man.
Target filled.
Uh-oh, somebody got some money.
Yeah.
Man, Gold and NQ, they both scared to come back to these levels. I want NQ to come back to here, and I want Gold to get to that VWAP. Gold didn't get to that VWAP either.
Order canceled.
It didn't come back up to me. This one's going back down now.
Order canceled.
I'm gonna say I don't care. Ryan was the best voice in the edition. He was the best voice. Ricky
Who?
Bell was the best voice in the edition. I don't care. I don't care. Ricky Bell, yeah, best singer. Yeah.
Is it Ricky Bell?
I don't care. Ricky Bell.
You said Ricky Bell was the best vocals.
Come on, man. Okay, on Stand the Rack. Come on now. This solo was dope.
Okay.
Hey. I would die on this hill. I don't care. I would die on this.
I have one more question. What's that blue line? Is that the VWAP?
This is Don Chain.
This Don Chain? Okay.
Yeah. I don't always have the Don Chain on there. I just didn't take it off. I mostly put the Don Chain on there when the market is in an area where there's not a lot of levels. If there's not a lot of levels, like gold was at the all-time high, that's when I would really use the Don Chain channel.
Yes.
Yeah, I just added whatever you had on your little pop-up box or indicator box. I just added to. I didn't know what they meant. I just grabbed them.
I missed that whole gold trade. The daggone NinjaTrader want to act up. Darn it.
If I only use Don Chain when the market is like, when I don't see any other levels to take trades off of. But the Don Chain can work at any time though, to be honest with you. It works really good.
Yeah, I just keep it on. I got a list. I wrote down a list when I took a picture of what you had. I just wrote it down, and every time I fill out my charts, I just use everything, except for the TEMA. I don't really like that.
The TEMA?
Ah, y'all getting into my music now. So even though I wanted this VWAP right here, I knew it wasn't gonna go all the way up. It's just trying to wait until 9:30 to do it. And I know it's gonna do it too. As soon as 9:30 comes, it want to jump up there and it's gonna go right past it. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, John called. I missed that call.
I'm gonna holler at y'all later. I got my
Z-
little one trade in. I'm good
oh,
for
oh,
today.
you already out?
Yeah.
Be good, man. Have a great
All
weekend.
right, for
All
sure,
right.
brother.
Yeah, have a good one.
Order submitted.
So you doing a hovering over order for that Dante or for that
Yeah, yeah.
VWAP?
I'm hovering over just in case it gets right here.
Okay. Thank you.
But you see, it's playing around. It's like,
All right, got gold cleaned up. Let's go.
I know, feel that.
What happened?
You're yawning.
Oh man.
I said I feel that.
Wait, my eyes open at least. It's just climbing that channel, just little bit by little bit.
yeah, a little by little. Like,
Ugh.
like I wanted to get there before 9:30. Would be great.
I'm hoping to hit the pivot point and be done.
You see, it's like going up there and it's getting pushed back down. So I know it's heat.
Yeah.
This one got it closed below it. It came back up, got pushed down. Came back up, got pushed down. It got pushed down like 3-4 times. It's like, come on, man. And then it's not like a strong green movement to there. It's just like little itty bitty divert, you know what I'm saying? Little bitty bounces here and there. So like, won't get up here.
Order canceled.
There we go. Come on, yes.
There it is. hold on, no, hold on.
Order submitted.
Like it's 9:16. I really want that trade.
Yeah, see, I'm in a long.
Oh, you in a long?
Yeah, one contract.
Yep. That was
ES
good
long
too.
up the channel. Because in Q right now, it's just weak on the channel.
Yeah, it really is. Look at it.
Yeah.
Man, I was on go. What y'all doing? I'm not gonna charts up.
Yeah, look, it's scared of it. Like, man, you could have came up a little bit higher, put me in a trade, then drop. Like, I didn't want to front run it, but it's like it's that little bit. I should have just dropped it down right there. I should have just did it.
I mean, previous week high is the 845.25, and it keeps touching it.
Oh, 845 right here?
Yeah, that is previous week's high.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, and you see it, it's like, I don't know what I want to do. It's like, bro, you could have got me some money. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you don't know what to do, just give me some money. But when it got that close, I should have just dropped the order down on top of it. I mean, what is that? $10? I mean, really?
Maybe.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm tripping over $10. I should just be like, here, take it. But that's how I get into the trades when I'm not sure about a level. I wait to see what it does. If it bounces a little bit, then I just place it right on top of it and get in the trade instead of having a resting order just sitting there.
Yeah, it's funny because it shows on my screen that it went above it.
On your NQ or MNQ?
NQ.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll
take a picture and send it to you.
Anybody else's went above
Which candle though?
Yeah, I knew this candle went above it.
Yeah, I was like,
this
which
is the one
candle?
that's moving right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Mine doesn't know. Like you said, just right there.
Yeah, and I restored the historical, what it's called.
Oh, well, I was waiting on it, didn't get me. So I'm mad now. I'm really mad now. Like, come on, man. Why my computer got to be slacking?
I just want to see if it breaks the overnight VWAP.
Ready to score? Target's got new hosting wins everyone will love. From tasty snacks and cheer-worthy treats to football-inspired must-haves and fan-fave treats, you'll serve more than just plays. We've got the gear to get you in the end zone, so bring your A-game and win big at Target.
So, man, are you saying when the market open, it's just gonna shoot up?
No, I don't know if it's gonna shoot when the market open, but it's a chance it can. There's a high chance it can.
Well, we'll know in 9 minutes.
Yeah, and the reason why I think that is because of this big old drop right here, and it tried to fill it. It tried to go back to the top, drop again. So I think it's gonna shoot up before it drops again. I think it's gonna try to get up in this area before it drops. So I think it's gonna try to get up here before it drops again.
Okay.
Because it was a big drop, it pulled back, it rallied back up, dropped again, and I wanted to rally back up. Great. So we'll see.
Ghostbusters.
No Ghostbusters.
Man, I want to go say it.
I will always say it. I love that movie.
Yeah, definitely.
For the song, right?
That's a classic.
I mean, it's the jam now, but you know, I was gonna be quiet about the commentary for a while.
That's when Bobby Brown was at his highest right there.
Oh yeah, he can be touched. That's when he was dropping cocaine on the damn stage.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. He was dancing. I think it was MTV or something like that. He was dancing around. That
He
man
picked
spun
it up
around
like
and everything
nothing.
flew out his pocket.
Wow.
He picked it up all smooth though. Just kept
Real
dancing.
smooth.
Kept,
Did a little spin.
kept moving, huh?
He did a little
That's
spin with
funny.
it.
Order submitted.
Let me get a bump, dog. He was kicking it too. His little baggy pants. That happened to Flavor Flav too. He was dancing and his little rocks fell out of his pocket.
Them Z Cavaricci.
Who's that?
I said them baggy pants, man. They were in.
Oh yeah.
Those little
Back in the
Sinbads. And Sinbads, what they were.
Check gold out. Finally moving.
Gotcha, bitch. Yeah. I just got y'all here. I just made money off gold. Then I was waiting for that level right there on gold. I didn't got in, got out, made 100 real quick. Well, I made 96.46. Weird, whatever. But yeah, that's that short right there too. Look at that, nice.
Order submitted.
That's when all I did. I sat there, and as soon as it touched the line, I dropped down on there. Dropped it down on there, got $100, and got out.
Order canceled.
I just happened to look over at it.
Yeah. That's why I showed y'all that one and in queue, because I was looking at both of them. Just in queue didn't get me, but gold got me, so I'm happy.
One micro, quick 100.
Yeah, gold follows the rules a little better.
Sometimes.
But it follows better than NQ to me.
Yes, I will agree with that.
NQ is like, I might turn around at this level. I don't know.
Yeah.
Like,
Well, that's why I switched to micro gold, because of how just slapped around I got with that one.
yeah. Mike, like when I do micro gold, and I'll do like 5 contracts because that's still $5.
Yeah, I'll bounce between 1 and 5 depending if it's early versus if I got a buffer.
Yeah. And that's what I'm saying. People be like, man, micros ain't enough money. Yes, micros is enough money. Micros is plenty money. See, now it's 925. Look at that gold drop. Oh, that was a good trade on gold. Look at that. Ooh wee. And I made 100 quick. So man, that's at least 500 if I would have stayed in there, but that was a PA. A PA, I was just like, get in, get out, next.
Yeah. Well, I mean, even on one contract on my micro, I still got 100.
Yeah. And that's why I like micros, because micros, you can sit in there and chill.
Yeah, I can just relax, not sweat it.
Yeah, you take a trade, you go to another chart, go to another account, and just trust gold, because you could put gold at negative 50 ticks. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah,
you're only risking 50 to
part.
$100. A quick 160, I know that's right. A quick 160. Oh, but Amon, that trade that you asked about on the computer, I thought you were talking about last night's trade. I just thought about that. You was talking about the trade that I posted. I had like 2,000 with 2 contracts. Was that Amon that asked that? Oh, that's Corey. Corey asked that. Okay, yeah. So that trade was a little bit different. Okay, I didn't necessarily teach that strategy. So if you look at the video, you see like two big green candles going up, right? When one candle closed and a new one opened, I seen that it tapped that swing high. It tapped the swing high, then it went all the way down. You'll see a long wick on that second green one. That long wick let me know that it was pulling back to get enough strength to push through that level. So what I did, I went on the chart and I did a buy stop. I did a buy stop at that swing high. So when it got back to the swing high, it put me into a buy instead of a sell and continued up. Because when I seen that second green candle hit the line and reject down, it went down far enough, and that long wick let me know it just gained strength to run higher. So I did a buy stop. As soon as it hit that line again, it bought the market and continued up. And I did 2 contracts, so 2,000 with 2 contracts. It just, that market structure was just too strong to just be stopped by a 5-minute swing high.
Okay, okay, thank you.
And it literally came back down, and you can see that long wick was like, hold on, let me back up real quick. Yeah. That's how I look at the market. Like, that's what I think when I look at the market. Like, it just back up, and I'm gonna tear it up and just run straight at it. So that's why I took that trade.
Yeah, that
you
was a
see,
good one.
it was moving fast.
I didn't even trade that night. I went to sleep early.
Oh.
I was like, man, I was missing money.
Yeah. Hey. And that's what I say. It's 23 hours a day. Like, it's always money to be made.
Yeah.
Once you get real consistent with this, I'm telling you, man, you can be like, I need $200 real quick. Do $200, cool. Literally an ATM. There's this website I watch YouTube and stuff like that because I have a gun YouTube. So I was watching other YouTube videos, and this dude was talking about a company out of North Carolina, Bear Creek, and they make good uppers and lowers for ARs. And I went over there. It was like $300-400 for the AR. So I was like, I logged into the computer because I was about to take a payout. So I just logged in. I made a quick $400 on top of that payout. So I was like, cool. I did my payout so I could go buy me a new weapon. Like, I literally jumped on here just to get $400 to buy that weapon instead of using the money in my account.
Yeah.
So you can literally make money at any time. Water heater go out? All right, that's cool. Let me get in this market real quick, make some money, pay off this water heater. That's how I look at trading. I look at it, I need some quick money. All right, cool. Let me get this money real quick. Ask for a payout. You know what I'm saying? The payout take like what, a day? Once you start getting consistent payouts, there's an open.
There it goes.
Don't y'all jump in this market. That thing is
It's
open.
tempting.
I know it's tempting. Y'all leave it alone.
Yeah.
That's where I met my boo-boo yesterday.
Let it calm down a little bit.
Don't worry, Mr. H. Uncle Tommy's on sim mode when you hear his start clicking, according to Tom.
Well, no, not now. I'm on my equipment now. I gotta get these things passed.
When he does
Reggie passed his yesterday.
Yeah, I heard.
Yeah, Reggie passed him one. I was like, oh, shoot, Reggie got him a PA.
The moon.
Look at Divergence. I don't care about no open. Divergence said you don't belong up here. Get down.
946 fitness.
Hey, that Divergence don't be playing, boy.
You look at it, damn. That shit would have wiped my whole. Yeah, it'll wipe me out.
Oh yeah. But look at that short though.
Yeah,
like, hey, I should have
nice
took that Divergence. Damn it. The open is always enticing. You're like, man, I wish I took that trade. Nah, don't do that.
Hold on, don't do that. No, I'm not. I'm trying to mark a level, so I ain't doing it. I'm marking a level.
Okay.
I ain't that crazy.
Like, I got the Divergence on ES, but not on NQ.
You know?
Oh boy.
Let me know if the music is too loud. I can turn it down. I don't want to be too overpowering.
Fibonacci.
948.
All right, now calm down a little bit. Look at that. Look how high it went up, though. Man.
Yeah, it did.
Got me one.
Back up. There it goes again. Come on.
How many ticks was that?
And look, gold did the same thing I was just talking about. It tapped it. It came all the way down to get us some steam. It's like, yeah. Got some steam to go past that little VWAP.
Got me too. Let's go down. Going down.
On NQ, I'll still wait for that central pivot. That central pivot is going to be a nice one.
Order submitted.
I want to see how that plays out. But look at gold. I knew it. Look at gold. It then tapped it, came down, and said, run straight through it. Ran straight through their face. I was literally just explaining that trade setup.
So are those levels no good now since the open went through?
What levels? Which ones? This one right here?
Like that Dante chain? That no good no more?
Oh no, Don chain still be good because Don chain and the VWAP adjust to the market. But I still like central pivot. I like the central pivot for a short. 100, 150. Because especially if the VWAP, this is the VWAP right here. If the VWAP lines up with central pivot when it gets up there, that'll be definitely a nice short. Look at gold, man. Ooh-wee.
I can get that S1.
Yeah, it's trying. It's trying, but it's getting a little resistance. It's 31. Uh-oh. Yeah, look, gold got scared of that S1. Dang. Look at that thing. I was waiting at the S1 for it too. But I like when it pulls back. Hopefully it pulls back enough, then goes up. Because right now NQ says 89% chance of a short. So that's why I was hoping it got to central pivot, then short it. But you see how the Don chain moves with it? The Don chain just moves with it. So it's not really it doesn't really go bad.
I think I'm gonna call it a morning. It disconnected me and it won't let me connect back to my accounts.
Oh man.
So I don't know.
That's been happening a lot, man.
Yeah, I don't know.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna try one more reset to see.
Order
if I can...
canceled.
Yeah, try it one more time.
Gotcha, bitch.
There you go. Quick 50 to 100 right there. Quick 50 to 100. Came back down and got me some money. I tried to switch over here real quick so y'all can see it, but it happened so fast. I was like, dang, okay. Ooh, who putting in orders? Somebody putting in big orders. 90 contracts.
I love you. I'm following the rules. Now I still have to mess it up and then 2000. And mess everything up at 2000.
Order filled.
Gotcha, bitch.
Yeah, look, it's fighting that level right here. They wanted to go down. Look at that, 100% chance of a short. 100%. So they're trying to push it down. I still like that S1, but they wanted to go down now.
Yeah, it's not letting me connect.
Oh man.
I'm gonna just chill.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
what is going on to where you can't connect? I would still send a message to them and let them know what's going on.
Now, would it be the Bullinox or the Ninja?
Now hold on. Did you try to delete it and then add it again?
No, I didn't.
Try to go to go here, go to configure, and try to delete it. Hit apply, OK, and then add it again.
Okay, all right.
Sometimes it's no telling what it could be. It could be something simple or something harder. But at least try that. That way they can see that you tried. Because they're gonna try to blame you. 33. Look, it's fighting that VWAP. It's just struggling.
On NQ is not. On Fibonacci on NQ.
Huh?
Fibonacci NQ.
The Fibonacci.
Yeah, the high low. I'm all right.
Oh yeah, I didn't do it.
Well, they all hit.
Yeah, I was looking at gold because gold wants to go down, but that VWAP is like, no, you don't belong down here. It literally says 100% chance of a short, and it's not letting it go short.
Order filled.
Gotcha, bitch.
See, I just bought it back up. I bought it back up because it just won't let it go below it. So I just every time it touched it, I bought it. Like literally, all I'm doing is every time it touched that purple line, I've been buying it. See, look, as soon as it hit the yellow line, I just buy it. Go to another account, buy it. I literally just go down the line. And I do it until it tells me otherwise. It's gonna break that VWAP, but no, until it does, it's just gonna keep getting smacked back up.
Order filled.
Gotcha, bitch.
See, like, literally, a brand new candle is still resisting until it closes on the other side. It's just gonna keep resisting.
Right, what you gonna do, Central P?
Okay, going up there.
It's too hot.
What's too hot? What's too hot? Oh, we missed a central pivot. God dog it. I told you I was waiting for that central pivot. Who got it?
My dumb ass looked at it and didn't click the button.
I told y'all that was gonna happen 20 minutes ago.
I got it.
Oh, you got it? Okay, cool. I was like, that central pivot is where it's at. I just been so focused on that gold bouncing off that VWAP. I was like, hey, look. Let me get this VWAP money real quick.
There's more NQ movement.
Oh, well.
Ooh, 63 on the buy. They trying to go up. I told you I was gonna go up when NQ opened. I just seen based on that 1 hour chart, I was like, they got more room to go up than down, really. Because they already had two big drops.
We got 945 news from Chicago PMI.
What happened?
945 news, Chicago.
Oh, 945? It's the news at 945.
Yep. Yellow news.
Oh, 945. Okay. Yeah, y'all don't be trading. It's 942, y'all. Y'all leave that thing alone.
Yeah, Madison.
Yeah, y'all should have got that. Y'all should have got that central pivot. Y'all could have got the central pivot, and y'all could have got the VWAP several times. I mean, it just has not been able to get past it.
Man, Will, once I started figuring your how you touch the pivots or you touch the levels and you take little scalps, man, that's been helping a lot.
Hey, appreciate it.
Yes,
That's how I got to a payout.
I'll do $50 at a pop, and I'll just make I'll do like 7, 8 of them and make my money. I'm out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yep. Hey, I jabs. Bop, 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 bop. Them
Easy.
jabs, boy. See, look, now it finally went through it. I was like, I told you, I know it's gonna break through it, but until it does, I was just buying it. Give me 1 second since it's news. Let me take my dog out.
All right, I gotta go to real work. See you guys.
Be safe. Good weekend.
Be safe out there.
You wanna go? Now I gotta take you up. Come on, you wanna go back?
Yeah, there goes my dog too. I guess everybody's dog is going off right now.
All right, what I miss on the news? Does the news do anything?
Correct. Oh, now it goes up. You little dirtbag.
There's that little bounce. It closed on the other side of the VWAP. It came up to it, bounced down, and now it's trying to go back above it. But that was a nice little, could have got that nice little bounce when it came back and turned around. But you know, with the news happening, you know, if it wasn't news, then yeah. But the news was at what 45. You got to wait for a minute after, so yeah, you don't really have a lot of time. But see, that level was so strong to get through. Now that it got through, it's harder to get back above it. Look at that. Ooh wee. Nice little bounce off that VWAP. I'm so mad I missed that central pivot, even though it was right before the news. Like, eh.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order submitted.
Finally, just got reconnected. It took all kinds of stuff. I restarted everything.
Yeah, that's
Sometimes you hard headed like that.
Yeah.
Well, gentlemen, I got some business to take care of. Y'all have a great day.
All right, for sure.
You too.
Talk to you on Monday, if not before.
Hey, Mr. H.
Saturday, we practice is Saturday.
Saturday, okay.
Oh, good.
Yeah, you think I need to talk to NinjaTrader about how my levels are off?
They're still off?
Yeah, it's. I moved up by what was it, like 2 or 3 to hit that VWAP.
Yes, this is Roger with Farmers Insurance.
On NQ or GC?
Both.
Yes,
like,
no,
all
I'll give you
like when your
regards to
levels
your,
are, my levels
to-
are different.
Oh, let me think. Did you try logging out, disconnecting from your data and reconnecting? Because it could be it could. Are you using Rhythmic or Tradeovate?
Rhythmic.
Rhythmic. You might try going to the control center and logging out of Rhythmic and logging back in Rhythmic.
But it's always been like that.
It's always been. Oh, are you on 326?
That's a good question right there.
NQ 326.
Yeah, I'm on that.
Yeah,
I sent you a picture where it popped through with that red candle, and the other ones next to it are down below it. On that one, on NQ, when I was talking to you, where I said I hit the VWAP, and you're like, and everybody else like, And I just started up my computer. Like, I just woke up when I got on. Woke up, started up my computer, and yeah.
Oh yeah, yours did go past it.
One more time for the folk.
Two 6 8 4 5 2 6 8. Yeah, I would. If you have Rhythmic, I would reach out to Rhythmic and let them know that your data is slightly off. Because, well,
I have Rhythmic and Apex, so.
So your Apex is Rhythmic. It's through Rhythmic.
I got Lilu and Apex.
Okay, so which are they both? Are they both Rhythmic?
Yeah.
Because I'm about to say one is Tradeovate. I would try to switch and see if you can load Tradeovate.
Order canceled.
They want to do it. They want to go. Too hot.
Order submitted.
Actually, I split the difference between these two. I split the difference between the VWAP and the central pivot. See what happens. Let me see. Do I have anything? Cole just passed 2 evals. He is done. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like that. Shoot, you already shot me a message. I guess we could try to think if I could help with anything like that.
My thing is, who should I talk? Who should I talk
Yeah,
to?
who should you talk to? I would talk to the prop firm first, because let the prop firm contact the Rhythmic or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I would contact the prop firm like my charts are off, and they're the ones that supply that give you the data connection, really.
So should I disconnect from one while I'm trading and see if that makes a
Like
difference?
or try to update. Have you updated NinjaTrader?
Yeah, I believe so.
Like recently, because it was a recent update.
Yeah, no, I got that.
I'm trying to think what will cause that.
And what levels are off?
Like
Oh,
his all of it. His chart is just off. GC
well,
trying to go up. Okay.
because I'm looking at my Don Chain bands,
Mhm.
and my bottom Don Chain is at 25,805, which is also
25.8. So yours is 805 up here.
at the bottom blue one, the bottom blue.
Yeah, so yours is at 805 while mine's at 799.
Yeah,
Let me try to
my
let me try
VWAP
to,
is off a little also.
let me try to reload mine. It could be something on my end. Let me reload real quick, see if it changed. Ooh, look at gold. Nope, mine's still 799 even though I reloaded. And gold is dropped down to the Don chain. Look at that. Now, I mean, it's going through the Don chain, but it bounced off of it first. Well, gold don't give a damn. They ain't gold. Gold got to be stopped. Gold got to be stopped. Let me see. I'm trying to think. Yeah, as I said, I would reach out to the prop firm first because they're the ones that have to deal with Rhythmic to get stuff situated. So I would contact them first. But I would send the same message to Rhythmic and the prop firm and see who responds first.
I just took off my Apex. I disconnected from my Apex and I'm only on my Lulu, so I'm gonna see if that makes a difference.
Yeah. Disconnect one of them and do reload historical data and see if it's a difference.
Yeah, I did that.
Order submitted.
Come on down here if you're bad. Oh man, you didn't want to come down here? Yeah, see, I was waiting on it too.
Here's the side.
Yeah, my wick's at 560.8 on that candle right there.
Oh man, my 561.0.
I just moved it up. Try to hit that.
Come on, man.
Order filled.
Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That was $200 something. Look at that. Ooh wee. I don't mind if I lose because this is a sim anyway. But you see how I did that? How I just dropped it on there. It went up like 300. All I did, I waited. I dropped the level on there. It went up like 300, then came down. That was sim, so I didn't really care. I wasn't trying to make a profit. I just wanted y'all to see that how I take trades. I'll put a buy
Order
limit
submitted.
down lower, and then I'll just hover over where I want to get in the trade at. And as soon as it touched that level, I
Order
just drop it down
filled.
on there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
And
I
then
lost on that.
Look at that.
I lost like it's saying it's 705.
Yeah, but it went up like 700 before. I mean, it went up like 200-300 before it came down. So if you had an ATM strategy set for $100, you would have clicked that button, got $100, and got out.
Right, but I do have it set like that, and it didn't do it.
Hey, Will, your mic sounds echoey.
Man.
Oh, I think yeah. As soon as you said that, yours did too. Look, is that better?
I think somebody has their mic on with speakers.
Yeah, because everybody's echoing.
Oh, sorry.
Account 35.
Yeah, NinjaTrader won't connect to Bullet.
Oh. It's the Bullinox one that's having an issue.
Order filled.
Gotcha, bitch.
Ooh, a couple more minutes to a new candle pop up. That's all my Tradeovate accounts. I do Lilu tonight. I trade Lilu tonight. Uh-oh, not a smooth operator. There we go. On the way back up.
Order.
Buy it on the way back up. Ooh, buy it on the way back up. Look at that. Bought it on the way back up. But y'all see how it swept down, and then on the way back up, I just clicked buy and bought it on the way back up. Because I waited for it to get to this level, and then I bought it higher. Because I seen it sweep down, which it knew everybody was waiting there. It swept down a little bit, and then on the way back up, I bought it right there at the line, higher. I wish I would have did that on a PA. I did it on Sim. Now the next NQ, I like this area right, this VWAP right here. Because last time we was down here. Yeah, I like that one.
To you by Apple Card. Apple Card members can
I like that trade right there.
cash back on everyday purchases.
And remember, the VWAP does move a little bit, so wherever it does move to, you know, I like that. I like this EMA VWAP buy. Right now, the market is just struggling at the VWAP, central VWAP.
Subject to credit approval. Apple Card issued by Goldman Sachs Bank US.
Right. I did what I came to do. See you guys on Saturday, man. Good.
Cool. You got your money?
Yeah, I got some of it.
Good.
Right.
Is there any way you can tell me how to check for updates on the NinjaTrader?
Yeah. I just go to here and go to download. Because when you go to about, you should have 8163. If you have 8163, then there's no updates. That is the most updated version. So yeah, you just go here, go to about, and it'll tell you what your current version is.
Hi, Mr. H.
Hey, what's going on, man? How you doing?
I'm good, man. I'm sorry again to ask this question. How do I change the points to dollars?
Oh, yeah. Right click over here, go to properties, and where it says P&L display, change the currency.
Awesome. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, mine says 8.1 or 8163 64-bit.
What's 8163?
It says version.
Oh, 81. Yeah, I think that's the right version, right? Eight one six three. Yeah, that's the most recent one. Because I just updated mine like 2 days ago. Unless they have another one I don't know about, that's the most recent. 36.
Yeah, I'm stopping trading until I get that fixed.
Yeah. I would too. Because that's weird that it's off like that. The gold just said, I'm going down. I don't care what's happening. Gold is just on the rampant way down. And with that market structure, whew, it's about to close. We got 34 seconds on this one. Divergence stepped in and pushed it up a little bit, but I would have liked for it to come down here. Now, if it comes down here, this is a lot of heat down here. If it comes down here, it's definitely going to bounce.
So, Mr. H, I have a question. Remember when you did a rollover on your gold last night? Was it last night?
I did a what?
I think you called it a rollover.
Yes, rollover, yeah.
So do you need to change the rollover now that it's actually going down?
No, you can just check and see. If you haven't rolled over yet, you can go to Tools, Database Management, and it'll be right here. You can just click rollover.
Okay, so exactly what is the rollover?
It's just going to change the date up here from GC from 2/26 to 4/26. It just updates the contracts.
It doesn't change anything else except for the date.
Yeah, it's just that. You might have to readjust some of your levels. That's about it.
Listen, I ain't got to go yet, Miss A. I got a little piece in my little wallet. That's it.
Okay.
But I'm paying attention to you, paying attention and asking questions. That's all.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Oh, tall dark. Yeah, hold on. Let me look at it. Discord message. Good till date. That's right here. Oh, also your question on the that order, did you figure it out? It's normally right here. Good. That's what it's saying. It's saying can't be submitted. Good till date is in the past. So good till date. That's what they're talking about.
Okay, so just take that off.
Yeah, or change it.
Change it.
It's saying something about the date that was off.
Should I just change it today?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. H. Thank you so much.
Hello, Dark. You say you sent me a message on Discord? I don't see it.
Yeah, it should be on Discord.
Oh, to set up the other account?
Yeah, to set up her laptop. Yeah.
Yeah, I answered.
Oh, I didn't get that.
Yeah, I answered last night. Ooh, 77. They did a 77 short and then they did a 87 buy on NQ. So as soon as somebody wanted to go down, somebody's like, nah, we going up. Look at it. They try to push it down, somebody else try to push it up. Well, they over there fighting.
Mr. H, I got another question. Now listen, if the gold was going up at first and a person had a trade in on the gold on it going up, and all of a sudden it's turning around and it's going down, would they get out of the trade and then jump back in?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks.
Hey, Mr. H, anytime this afternoon when you get off is good.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, 10. Yeah, yeah. Let's shoot for. I got. Let me see. Let me see what I got going for. We can do 12 if 12 is good. Eastern Standard Time. I'm not sure where you're at.
Yeah, 12's fine.
Okay, yeah, we could do that before I head out to look at a house.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, for sure. Oh man, I missed the trade. Dang it. The NQ. That NQ short right there again. It took a little bit of heat, but it ultimately went down from that level. But you did take some heat. But I would take another trade at the central pivot though. If it came to the central pivot, I would take that again.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, 123 contracts.
Who was that on buys or sells?
I think yellow is buy and purple is sell. Yeah, so it pushed it up. It definitely pushed gold up. It's pushing gold up. Well, that trade happened over here, so it pushed it up, and it's still pushing it up. Yeah, purple is a short, yellow is a buy. It's like gold is too low. It need to come back up. But if you wanted to buy gold, if you wanted to buy some physical gold, you want it to go down so that you could buy it. That's a funny thing about the stock market. You wanted to come down so that you could buy it up, but then you wanted to go up so you can make more money. So it's like the market has to come down. It has to come down so more people can buy it. Then it goes up, more people sell it. Comes down, more people buy it. It's a cycle. You know what I'm saying? Market makers' job is to push the market where it needs to go. If they say, okay, people aren't buying the shares, okay, let's let it drop. Put in some big orders to push it down so people can buy more shares. Because you got to think, a lot of these companies have shareholders. If the market is always at an all-time high, always going up, people aren't going to buy more shares if the market is at an all-time high. So it has to come down from an all-time high so people can buy more shares and continue up. Because that's how they make money. It's all manipulation at the end of the day. Your job as a day trader is to understand manipulation and learn how to maximize off of the manipulation that's already happening. Because whether you trade or not, manipulation is going on. I just rather be on the side of manipulation where I can make money from them. Because they do not care about you, so you should not care about them. And they be like, oh, the market's gonna crash. Fine, I'm gonna take a short. Now, for the rest of the world, yeah, a market crash might mean something really bad for them. But for day traders, a market crash just means I'm going to make money on the way down. It sounds kind of sinister, but they don't care. That's why they let the market fall.
Hey, Mr. H, do you have any free time after this to help me contact Rhythmic.
Yeah, they're kind of hard to get in touch with.
Hey, when y'all figure out what's wrong with Rhythmic, put it in Discord so the rest of us that are screwing up can figure it out.
All right, I'll do that.
I gotta let the dog out.
Let's see. Rhythmic.com. Because they have a help center, but they rarely respond. And it's Friday, so you might want to contact them now. For login assistance or for trouble placing trades, please contact your broker or funding evaluator as case may be. So on Rhythmic, I'm on rhythmic.com. It says for login assistance or for trouble placing trades. Yours is more so your levels are off. So there's a rhythmic.com/contact is advisories. I don't know what advisories are. But yeah, so when you log into to the prop firm and go to their help desk, that same email you type them, just copy and paste it to Rhythmic as well. Take some pictures of it. Take some pictures of the data and with the timestamp, and they can see that okay at 10:14 the market was not at that point. You know what I mean? Like you got to kind of prove your case in the pictures.
I had an issue with Bullinox 2 weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
I hit the trade, and it took like a minute before it even showed up. And then when it showed up, it didn't put the stop or the take profit on there, and it took off the other way, and it ended up blowing the account. They reset the account.
Oh, nice,
Because
nice.
I had to send them my log from NinjaTrader.
Yep.
And something else, but they looked at it and they said it didn't. NinjaTrader didn't end at the same time, and there was an issue. So
yeah, so when you have issues, right? You go to NinjaTrader, you go to log, and like as soon as the issue happened, it tells you everything right here. Order, executions. It tells you if something was wrong, can't be changed above the market. Like everything is on here. So when something happens, you have the timestamp and everything. They want to see that. Also, you can have executions. It tells you about every execution that happened. Like they want to see that information because you have to prove to them that it was an issue that wasn't your fault. And I even send picture of the current NinjaTrader that I have. So I'm like, and the NinjaTrader is updated because the first thing they go to is, well, is your NinjaTrader up to date? Yes, I sent you the picture. You know what I'm saying? Like, knock it all out before they even ask for it, because they're looking for a reason to get out of it being their fault. All right, so NQ is getting closer to the central pivot, and GC is getting up here to the VWAP again. Oh, I ain't make no money in that account yet. Hold on. Let me get this money real quick.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Right now, I got a little strength from this VWAP right here to continue up. So I wanted to get up here and get me some money. Come on up. Don't go too crazy on me. Just come on up here, get my money, and get out of the way. Okay, not crazy. And once again, if you don't want to do a resting order, you can put this a little higher up and just sit here and wait to drop it down. You can do it that way too. If you don't want to do a resting order. Oh, they said it wasn't their fault. Oh man.
Babu.
What's up? Go ahead, Lebo.
No, I'm sorry. I'm talking to myself here.
Okay.
I'm just analyzing the chart, and I'm like,
I can dig it. I do the same thing. I won't come up here. Come on up.
I can't seem to put the resting order on that central pivot like accurately, but
What do you mean? It won't let you put a resting order at all?
No, it is letting me put it, but I just wanted to put it at a good level. I've just been struggling to put it on a good level, a level that I'm comfortable with.
I usually put it up higher than where I want to go, and then I'll just tap it and I'll wait for it to get there. And when it gets to my level, it taps once or twice, I just click the button and drop it on top of there.
So when it gets to the higher level, you wait for it to tap there.
Yep.
And once it gets down, you take your order, you follow it down.
Yeah, well, I sit it right here. So if the market comes up and sweeps a little bit higher, I'll wait for it to come back down, and then on the way back down, I'll just drop it on top of there, get into the trade for the short.
Okay. But then this way, since our one-on-one, this way of getting the first touch has been working for me all the time.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, so I don't want to mess it up.
Oh yeah. There's many different ways to enter trades, whatever works best.
Yeah. This one works for me 100%, man.
Nice. And that's the thing, as a trader, your goal is to find out how to make the best entry into a trade. It's not really about where your stop loss at, where your target at, is your entry. If you have good entries, it doesn't matter really where your stop loss is at, because it shouldn't go up that far against you. And that's why we trade micros until we figure that out. Trade micros because micros, you can have a big stop loss because it's only 50 cents, $1. You know what I'm saying? But once you figure out your stop loss, then you can move it up closer to where you're not risking too much money per trade. And then you switch over to minis from micros.
Exactly, yeah. But it seems like it's going into a consolidation though.
Yeah, it's definitely a consolidation.
It does not want to touch the VWAP. It does not want to touch the
Yeah, it's playing around now. But you see, it's a narrow range trading day. Is ranging from the central pivot to the open.
So you just set up buy, sell.
Yep, it's just ranging. That's it. And that makes sense on a Friday. Huh?
You still put Bakhtiana to work?
Yeah. I was actually using it last night. Yeah, I was using the bot last night. I made like 400 on 2 accounts, and then I passed the 25K eval, all bot in like 2 days. I just wanted to see how fast it would take me to pass. I don't even want a 25K PA. I was just like, I have the new updated version of the bot. So I literally put it at $200 per trade. And I just kept clicking buy. Or I kept activating it until it passed the account.
Yeah, man, they tried to give me tomorrow delivery. I said, you go find. I let somebody else.
I was gonna say, what you talking about, Marvin? But you talking to your job. Yeah, but that's what I do with the bot. I literally just kept clicking the button. As long as it was winning trades, I just kept clicking the button until it lost a trade. So the first day it made like 900. It made like 900. Then it lost a trade. And then the next day it made another 9 and passed. So I passed a 25K eval in 2 days. So yeah,
Man, I'm sorry about that.
That bot works pretty good though. This is what mine looks like. This is the updated version of the bot. You know what I'm saying? So this is the nighttime settings. The settings are a little bit different at night. Yeah, but it works pretty good. It'd be passing accounts. Let me close this trade because I was waiting for that order to get there.
Order canceled.
Sorry about that hot mic there.
That was fine. You ain't say nothing bad.
You were meant for this journey of change, so follow the Walden Wayfinder.
Yeah, so we'll be practicing tomorrow at 12. 12 o'clock we'll be practicing for anybody that wants to join.
Reducing barriers to transfer credit and the Believe and Achieve scholarship.
Because I practice at 12 o'clock on Saturdays regardless. So, you know, whether y'all there or not, I'm going to be there practicing. Because no matter how good you think you are at trading, always practice because the market changes by day.
I did get my money. I just couldn't say nothing earlier.
Oh, you got your bread?
Yeah, I've been coming in here.
I knew you must have been doing something because you was quiet. I was like, okay, she must be moving and grooving.
Some tests going on. Goodness gracious, it don't make no sense.
And once again, that's the great thing about trading. If you don't have a lot of time, you can literally be like, all right, $200. All right, I got to go do something. And you can just roll out. You know what I'm saying? You could get in here, get some money real quick, and go about your day. You don't have to trade all day, every day. People think they got to be here forever.
Yeah, I just made like $500 on the eval now, so I'm like,
ooh, you close.
The NQ is just taking too long to get to that level. I'm just gonna enjoy my day, man.
You're like, yo, let me pass. But that's all right. Like, there's times where I was $200-300 away, and I just got $100 a day. Like, yeah. Whether I'm 500 away or 200 away, I'll still be like, all right, 200, 100 a day. Get out the way.
Because I feel it's right now what's happening is one of those moments where you're like, okay, I made that much. Let me just try to see if I can pass, and then you're just gonna lose everything.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna let it pass.
$100 to $200 a day got you that far. Just stick with $100 to $200 a day. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? If you 300 away, don't be like, well, let me get this 300. No, you've been doing 1 to 200. Stick with 1 to 200.
Mm-hmm.
Look, and I was doing this because, like, if you can get in here and make $200 a day, that's equivalent of $25 an hour. So most people go to work, they have to go to work making $25 an hour for 8 hours to make $200.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? You could get in this market, sit here for about an hour, hour and a half, see a good opportunity, take a trade, get 200, get out. And that's equivalent to an 8-hour workday.
Mr. H, I'm having another problem. It's telling me my account is currently set to liquidation only due to auto liquidation.
That means it's blown.
But I couldn't have blown it. It just rolled over, Mr. H. Oh my goodness.
It just rolled over?
Yeah. And when I was trying to take a trade earlier, and put in the resting order, like I'll be having glitches on mine. It was 200. I lost 2. Well, let me put it this way. No. Oh,
order filled.
It says I'm down 1,000 some odd dollars, Mr. H. I pushed.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You had to have blown it. That's the only reason why I was saying that.
I didn't have no orders in.
I would take a picture of your your level, the trades that you took, and I will send them a message.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. NQ finally bounced off that VWAP. Hey, fine. Yeah, I will take a picture of your. Hold on, I'll show you. Take a picture of. All right, find where what time you took that trade over here. Like it'll say
Hold on
order
one second,
number.
'cause I don't know how to do that.
Oh, right at the bottom, just go to log. Just go to your log at the bottom and
Okay.
find out what time you took that order, because it'll say like execution, instrument, it'll have all the information. Okay. Here's the account. It'll be the account that you took right there.
Don't make no. Yeah, it's so right here. It's a whole bunch of orange. What?
On the log
It
is a
says-
bunch of orange.
Yeah, and it says error on executing.
Yeah, send that to them, because it might be something. It might be something with the data on their ends, and
Okay.
send that to them. And you can look at your executions, and it'll show you when you took the trade and everything. You have the account side, what account you took, and everything over here. So take a picture of that and send that. Is it Lilu? Is it Tradeovate? What company?
No, this is Tradeovate Apex.
Yeah, so take a picture of that and send that to Apex customer service, and let them know like it blew your account, and this is the only trades you took. And if they see that as their fault, they will do what they can to help fix it.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
For sure. Oh, what account is this? Oh, that was a 250K account. I could have stayed in no trade way longer. Dang, I got out too fast.
The diversions came in too late, man.
Yeah. Divergence taking his little precious time. I took a trade with an account that I thought was a smaller account, but it was actually a 250. I could have made more than that.
Order filled.
Gotcha, bitch.
Move too fast. God damn. I tried to take that bounce off the VWAP right here, off that VWAP trade. This right here. And it made me $80 before I could move my target away. I was trying to move my target away before. I hate when that happens. Like I don't want to complain about making $80, but dang, I could have made more than that.
Last time.
I'll go to the next one. Because see, you have divergence and you have a VWAP level on, like sitting there at the same time. I'm taking that. Win, lose, or draw. And Q have a 74% chance of a long also. See that? It's a 74% chance of a long. So you got the VWAP, you got divergence, and you have price predictor telling you 74% chance. Look at that. Look at it. Look at that. Outstanding. You had way too much going on. You had the VWAP, divergence, 74% chance of a long. I'm taking it.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. When I'm just watching, man, I'm just taking sim trades now.
Yeah. And time and sale ain't really tell you nothing. Look at that. Ooh, wee. I should have stayed in that dang trade. See, that's why I was trying to move it up. I was like, let me move this up. And it was like, take this $80 and shut up. I knew it was going to go higher. Oh, I'm mad. I'm having dreams about her jeans and how they fit in that urban Jeffrey baby tee. She's wearing my name around, so you know she's me. I'm a G like that, but for you, I felt. And GC is struggling at this Don chain level right here. Yeah, it's been going a little bit above it, but it's mostly been fighting this. I wanted it to come up here before I took a short, but it's struggling right now. All right. Anybody got any other questions? We at 10:30 now. And look, it's still bouncing, still divergence, still popping up in there. But yeah, anybody got any questions before we head out? First of all, everybody good on their trades? Anybody need like one more trade or something that I could call out?
You can call out one more trade, Mr. H. Nothing will kill us.
Okay. Okay. Well, obviously, y'all see, it's still bouncing off of this area right here with NQ. It's still struggling, but once it goes below this, I mean, this one is like a caution. You could take it, but I will caution that one.
Yeah.
Of course, the better trade would be the overnight low if you have time to wait that long, if it gets down there.
Exactly. Yeah.
But other than the overnight low, I will look for a short, right? So I will be looking at something, of course, the central pivot. That'll be the most likely, because you got the Don chain sitting right on top of the central pivot, and you have the VWAP right here, not that far above. So you have some backup. So if it comes up here, I would definitely take a short here.
On this level where you are at now,
right here.
No. The central pivot.
Okay.
The swing high.
Ooh, didn't mean to do that.
The one where we said we can take a short here.
Yes, yeah, right here.
There. Yes. Usually I do like 30 ticks or between 20 to 30 ticks. You know?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like
do you
whatever your entry teaches you.
Do you think I can try to apply my average there, my average strategy there? How strong do you think is gonna go down? How far do you think it's gonna go down?
Oh, there's really no telling how far it'll go down. Because you could take a short right here and it stop right here. You know, it stop.
Yeah.
A lot of times it's level to level. You could take a short here, it'll go here and go right back up.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? It'll come right back up, and then it'll stop again. It'll stop like up here, and then it'll come back down. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm saying. The more cushion you have, you can take a short right here and just let it come back and forth, because it's ultimately going to be down here. So the more cushion, you can sit in a trade longer. But until you build that cushion, we trying to get in and have a target.
And get out.
Instead of staying in there, get in there, 100, 200, get out.
Yep.
And wait for another opportunity.
I got you, man.
Because remember, we trying to get to a payout and build a cushion. Until you build that cushion, that's when you can take those bigger and longer trades, when you start having payouts and you have an extra 2, 3, 4,000 just chilling.
Yeah. So for now, we just get into the payout.
Yeah, right now we just jabbing, sticking and moving. Jab, move to the side. Jab, move to the side. You know what I'm saying? We're not doing no uppercuts yet.
I got you, man.
Oh, look at that. It bounced while we were talking off that central pivot. Oh, damn.
That's one thing I noticed. That's one thing I noticed even during the practice weekends, even during the live trading sessions. We missed so many trades just talking and talking and talking. but that only proves that trades are always available all the time. You know, even
always.
if you don't take them,
always,
they're always gonna be there. You know.
Yep. And that's like while we were in class Wednesday and my charts were messing up, I wasn't mad because I knew as soon as my chart started working right, I got in there and made $3,000. So
my skin starts breaking.
So it's always an opportunity to make money. This market will give you opportunity after opportunity. Look at that NQ buying it. Look, 61. All that green. Look at all that green right there. That's why it pushed up to this level right here. It pushed up because all these orders came in, pushed it all the way up to the central, the VWAP, and now it's coming back down.
Nice.
So yeah, that was a nice trade. But yes, I like central pivot because you look at all that stuff you got going on. You got the central pivot, you got the swing high, you got the Don chain, and you got the VWAP floating right above it. That's a lot of stuff going on. So I would definitely take that trade. But down here, I like the overnight low is a good trade. And if you want to take a chance, you can take this VWAP. down here, but just be a little more cautious with that one. And as far as GC, obviously I've been waiting on S1 all day.
Yep.
I still like the S1. And as far as the bottom, I like this the Don chain. I like the Don chain because you see it stopped twice right there and created a swing low and the Don chain. But I like this 4-hour level better because this 4-hour level is sitting right above the overnight low.
The overnight.
So you have, if this don't work, you got some backup, several backup right here to move it back up higher. So I know they're a good distance away, but you know that can happen within the next hour.
Yeah. Anything is possible, man. We can have a long red candle right now.
Exactly. Like look at these candles. This ain't even an hour. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. It went from here all the way down to here. So it could definitely go here up to here in the next 20, 30 minutes. You know, so, but yeah, that's the 2 levels I feel confident that I would take.
All right, my brother.
All right. So I hope everybody had an amazing day. We will be practicing tomorrow at 12. So get your questions written down so we could get started on that.
Yeah.
All right.
You want to shoot me a message about what time we're gonna meet, so we do that rhythmic.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm already meeting at 12 to help set up an account, so we can do at 12. So we could do 12 as well. That way, I could help you with your situation and then continue with setting up an account.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
All right, thank you.
So you setting up an account live tomorrow?
Am I trading? No, we're practicing tomorrow. At 12.
I thought you said you were setting up an account.
Oh no, today I'm setting up a student's account with them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, you need help setting up an account?
Well, I got everything. I got NinjaTrader and all that stuff. So the only thing I haven't done is purchased Apex and connected. But you know, I'm pretty techy, so I'll figure it out
today.
today.
Say if you need help connecting your accounts, just let me know.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I'll try tonight, and then if I got any questions, I'll be on the live tomorrow.
All right, yeah. Oh yeah, and I can help you tomorrow as well. Yeah, I do that all day. I can do that with my eyes closed.
I know.
All right, brother.
Appreciate you.
All right, y'all have a good day. And 12 o'clock, I'm gonna get back on with you guys at 12. To help with the setup. All right.